Welcome in the Business Guide. My name is Marcus, and in this video, I will guide you how you can easily set up your own LLC in Kentucky. So the first thing that we're going to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get right here on the site called Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help us start our own LLC in Kentucky. And of course, why do I recommend going with Incfile or someone who is going to set up the company for us? Only because is that you should focus on generating revenue, making money, and providing value to people. If you're going to micromanage everything from start of the company, administration, and also accounting, you're not going to have time for running the business. And this is something that I always say, and this is why my business is successful, that I focus on what makes me money, and I give attention there, and what I can outsource, I outsource. And that's what I do. Even when I pay money for it, of course, it's still fine by me because I focus on generating more revenue. So the first thing when you're going to enter the Incfile, you want to click here, Start My Business. When you're going to be here, you want to simply click here on LLC. And then you're going to have also find here the Kentucky. When you're going to do it, and when you're going to press Kentucky, you have three options here. You can go with the silver, which is a basic. One-time transparent payment with preparing, filling the articles, unlimited name searches, and free registered agent service for a year. On the other hand, you have gold and platinum. These two, that's what I recommend for you to do and use. Only because you're going to have the business tax number, also the form, IRS, the unlimited form email support, business banking account, business tech consultation, all of these things that I believe are really important to have. Now, primarily the business tax consultation, also the online access dashboard and operating agreement are like good things with the business tax number that you don't have to apply it by yourself. Now, on the other hand, with the platinum one, you're gonna have three things here. The expedited filling, that they're going to fill it for you faster, domain name and business email, and business contract templates. These things you're gonna have there. Now, I'm going to press gold, but in later on the video, you can choose platinum. If you want to go with the platinum silver, that's completely up to you. So I will go on a gold here. Now I'm going to add a first name and last name. So let's say Marcus Stonelius. And I'm going to add email address tutorial999gmail.com. Add there your email and then phone number. So I will add a phone number here, and then I'm going to add a street address. And then city and Kentucky. And then zip code. Here we are, here we have the address. I'm going to press next. Now when I have it, I'm gonna have the state filling time. So I can go with the 3 weeks or 2 business days. Now I have complete option here. Again, if you want to go with the 3 weeks, later in the video you can choose the platinum package, and there you can easily switch it to 2 business days for the filling of your LCC. Now I'm going to choose the 3 weeks. You can choose the 2 business days. Next. Here you're gonna have and create your own LLC name, so it can be Bakery by Jessica, or hair salon with Marta, whatever. I'm going to add LLC name Sanwi, and then my own designator LLC. Number of members, owners is 1, myself, and then business purpose here. So I can have like, we give consultation for small business owners. And then I'm going to have like industry keyword, let's say marketing consulting services. Then when I have it, the keyword is like the keyword what most defines your business, the description of it. Company address information, again, I'm going to add the one that we created in the beginning. You can choose like change that to your, let's say, an office. Now I'm click next here. Then you can have the expedited filling service, business contract templates, domain name, business email address, and you can upgrade for $149 up to 240 value. So this is what I was talking about, to having the premium service. And you can click here, get upgrade and bonus. Or you can simply click here, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. You can also find here 25 high quality legal documents. So as terms of service, privacy policy, employment agreement, all of this stuff. Then I'm going to choose a member one and also my address and the ownership. If you can have like more members, you can add the members here. And here you can have the registered agent information. So this is something also really important that I would recommend going with Incfile. That is, you would like to act as an own registered agent, you can do it, or you can choose simply like the Incfile. Service of process, notification of pending lawsuit, court order, state correspondences. And when you're gonna have it, I'll press next here. Then tax identification number information. This is an employer identification number, is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply and obtain your EIN from the IRS electronically. So this is again that I would recommend to do. And then if you're a foreigner, just press yes here. And you don't have social security number. If you have social security number ITIN, I'll just add it right here. Now I will add also the physical street address and press next. Then you have to like open your account over the phone, and here you have an option to start your own business with the, like, let's say a Bank of America, your own business account in a bank. You can simply click here, not at this time. And one of the owner companies is required to have a physical residence in the US to open a small business bank account. So you can do it or no, completely up to you. I will click next again. And then you can have the free consultation tax strategy. This is something that I like 100% choose it. Yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. Then press next again. And we identified 2 licenses for your consulting business in Kentucky. Again, this is something that I would definitely recommend to do. So they will send you everything and you don't have to do it alone. And then you would simply add a street address, city, and everything. Now, when you're gonna fill that out, click next. And here you would have review of order for your company. And when you're gonna like fill everything, the agent, the company, the member information, the business tax consultation, click next again. And then you're gonna have the cardholder, street address, card number. And what you have to do then is just simply press complete and pay. And that's pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, let me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to give you some, like, let's say advice, etc. And this is how you can start your own LLC in Kentucky. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.